we have another resume. Sandeep, who has put in his contact information. Here, he has added his educational qualification details here in a nice clear format. Then he has added specifically computer skills. So he's mentioned the languages and other tools. Look at that. He has immediately gone to computer skills. So you know what kind of job he's looking for is a technical job. Then he talks about his internship, which is like project work, and he talked about what he does, where, and what the project was about. It would have been nice to have included some more technical details at this place also. Then, in his campus, what are the positions of responsibility he has taken? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Normally, we don't think of work that we do in college as responsibility, but it is. It will be great to add that because, after all, jobs are going to be about responsibility. So, wherever you have done some such work, it's good to show. Then comes interest. He talks about interest not in general terms, but in his area of work, which is mechanical engineering, manufacturing, product design, IC engines, and operations research. So he's given a good selection of interests that he would like to work with. Another good point for Sandeep. Let's go to the next page. Now Sandeep in his second page has added extracurricular activities where he's detailed what kind of activities he's taken in his college years, which is membership and volunteer work, which comes to show how much he participates in his own world, in his external world, and being part of society. That's a good point for a student. Finally, he has chosen to add a sentence about himself, and then finally, along with that, an objective. This may not be the best position for that. If I were Sandeep, I would not include this. Either you put the objective at the top or not at all. This is a review of his resume. For a student, yes, there are many good points that we have in this resume. There are details about his internship, project work, his skills, and all the basic particulars that an interviewer would like to see.